But if I extend these anymore, I'm going to be looking like a Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtle, so I should probably stop. Welcome. My name is Cassie. I hope you're having a good day or had a good day wherever you might be in this world. Merry Christmas. Happy holidays. Today I'm going to show you how to get this eye look right here. It is only specifically the eye look because you can do whatever you want with your face makeup, but the eye look is what I wanted to focus on for today. It is a one palette tutorial. We are using the Jeffree Star Blue Blue Sugar, Blood Sugar, Blue Blood. I mix it all up, but this is the Jeffree Star Jeffree Star Blood Sugar palette. We are focusing clearly on the reds. I do a little bit of glitter. I guess it's not really a one palette tutorial then, since I don't use the glitter from in the palette. But I go ahead and I tell you everything that I use for the eye look, and I do hope that you guys enjoyed. Also, yes, my giveaway will be coming in January, so make sure that you are subscribed because it is free, and we all love free things. It definitely will not hurt you to hit that subscribe button. My giveaway is coming, I promise. Also, I upload twice a week, once on Wednesdays and once on Sundays. So yeah, I hope that you guys enjoyed. If you would like to see how I got this look, then just keep on watching. So you guys probably can't notice, but I did get my hair done. It's a lot lighter than what it was, but that's not what this video is about. This video is about Christmas makeup. More of like a glam Christmas makeup is what we're going for this one. And to prime my eyelids, I am going to be using the Rimmel London Match Perfection 2-in-1 Concealer. This is in the shade 125 Fair. And this is just what I like to use. If you're used to using like eye primer and not concealer, then you do you. But I like concealer better than eyeshadow primer because I feel like it makes my eyeshadow stay on longer, and it's also like it doesn't crease, it doesn't get super oily. And I am starting off with no foundation today just because our look is going to be a little bit more dramatic and I don't want to get glitter everywhere. I'm just going to take a random BH Cosmetics brush that looks like this, and I'm going to take that shade Glucose, and I am going to set my lids with that shade. Super white shade, so it'll help the colors appear more pigmented and also give us a flat canvas to work with, a set canvas. You don't have to go like super crazy with this, just enough. Start, I'm going to use the shade Tongue Pop. And I'm going to use the Morphe M535 brush, and this is going to be my transition shade just because I don't want to go flat in with the red yet. But this still has that pinkish red undertone, so it won't look weird, whereas if we use like an orangey or a brown, it's probably going to clash more than likely. And I'm going to be super messy with it. I'm going to bring it out here as far as I can, pretty much, or as far as you want to, just because we are going to make it a little bit winged out. Okay, so then I am going to go over top, and I'm going to use the same exact brush. I feel like, okay, I may be going crazy and this is super off topic, but I feel like my skin is so much smoother and nicer since getting that 90-minute facial with my esthetician because, girl, she attacked my face, but wow, did she do some amazing things. First time getting a microdermabrasion, she hooked it up. I got foot massages, I got leg massages, I got hand and arm and like chest décolleté, neck, shoulder massage. I was like, ugh, I'm ready for bed. But the worst part was I thought I didn't have work the next day, and okay, first I'm gonna use that shade Prick with that same brush. I was like, yeah, I'll schedule a 90-minute facial. My last work day of the week. I got Monday off. Come home and it's like, oh, I work at 10 a.m. tomorrow? Great. But, I mean, I showed up anyways. Okay, so I'm going to take that Prick shade and I'll go over that shade Tongue Pop. And we're just going to deepen that color. If you notice, it takes me a little bit to build my colors. I start on the outer corner and then I work my way to the inner corner, and then when I'm in the inner corner I kind of go back and do circular motions. And if you notice the way I hold my brush, it's down at the bottom and not all the way up here, because if you're up here you're depositing a lot, but when you're down here you're going ever so slightly, ever so lightly, and you're not putting a whole bunch of pressure on your eyes or the brush or with the eyeshadow. We're just going to keep on building the intensity of this because this isn't, it's not like a true red. It's not like a blue undertone red, but it's also not like a orangey. It's more of like a pinkish red. And I just want this to be like a true red without it getting too dark, because we could use cherry soda, but I want to save that for the end. And literally just build, build, blend, build, build, blend, blend, build, build. Does that remind you of a song? I feel like that just reminded me of a song, and for the life of me, I cannot think of it. If you notice, I am leaving this completely out because I am going to go and cut my crease, cut my eyelid, and the reason why I'm going super high is the same exact reason. Also, don't mind my janky nails. I've had them on for a week. I usually like to film with like fresh nails, and my husband did pick out this shade, but I've been having to pre-film, and this is the first time I'm sitting down to pre-film, so yeah, I gotta film a lot. I got a few days to film and edit and upload and schedule these uploads for a couple of weeks. So now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take another Morphe brush. Are you surprised? I love all the Morphe brushes, but this is the Morphe M505 brush, and I'm gonna dip into the shade Cherry Soda, and I'm gonna bang that off. And I'm going to focus this one more on my outer corner, like this entire outer corner, as well as in my crease on my outer corner, just because I want the outer corner. Okay, count how many times I say outer corner, because clearly that's just a word choice. But how do you explain outer corner without saying outer corner? I know. Thoughts that go through my mind. If you're wondering what I think about on a daily basis, well, there you go. So I'm just going to kind of stamp this on my outer corner and then blend it in. But still flick it out because, like, I don't know if you'll be able to tell, but like right here still has not a harsh line, but it's still got like a deeper line of demarcation. You don't need to extend it that much, but I am clearly. And I don't want to go any further than what is colored, what is shaded right here, because like I said, we're just going to cut the crease, but I do want this to be darker. Apparently I'm trying to avoid saying outer corner. Okay, I'm going back into that Morphe 535 brush, and I'm blending everything together. Then I'm going to take this LA Girl Pro Conceal Concealer, and it's in white. And I'm going to go ahead and I am going to cut the crease with this. Okay, so I just looked up so that way I can kind of carve out this area here. And then I am just going to take that glucose shade again with that BH Cosmetics brush and very lightly tap over that, just because we're going to go over it with glitter, but I don't want this to be like creasing while I'm doing the other side. So I'm going to take an e.l.f. brush, the one that I always use for my glitter. The glitter that I'm going to be using is the NYX Glitter Brilliance. It's face and body glitter, and it is in the shade Crystal. It's literally just silver, but I'm going to try to use it with the liquid sugar from Eye Candy, because this stuff makes my eye candy glitters stay on real nice. So I'm going to try this, and I'm just going to soak my brush, saturate, not soak. And then I'm going to pick up some glitter that's in the cap, and then I'm just going to pat this on where my concealer is. Okay, why don't I wear this glitter all the time? Because girl, this thing is popping. Can you see it sparkle? Girl is extremely, 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 extremely messy. And then really quickly, I just want to see what this would do. It's the ColourPop and Kathleen Lights collab, and this is in the shade The Maiden. It's the loose pigment, I believe, and this is like, I don't know. I don't even know how to use loose pigments, but I'm going to try and put this right on my inner corner. If I would have done my foundation first, I would have been pissed. That's enough with the glitter and pigment. We're going to put it away because now all I can see is sparkles, and it's all over my face. So I'm going to open up these Clinique Take the Day Off cleansing wipes. I'm just going to use one, and I'm literally just going to go all over where I see the glitter and hope for the best. Okay, and then I'm going to take my finger and I'm going to wrap it up in here and just drag it this way. And then clean that up. Now I'm going to try and I'm going to apply my false lashes, and I am going to apply it off camera just because it takes me forever to do this port. Okay, so now we're just going to go ahead and we're going to finish up the rest of the eyes. If you're wondering what I have on my lips, I am wearing, wherever it shall be, please come to my, there we go. I am wearing the Jeffree Star Cosmetics lip liner in the shade Celebrity Skin, and I have that all over the outside of my lips and then all on top of my lips, and I did leave the middle of my lips blank, so if it looks a little ombre, that's why. And I'm using the Fenty Beauty Balm Gloss Balm in the shade Fussy. Is it Fussy or is it Fussy? The world may never know. Okay, so we're going to go back into that Jeffree Star palette, and the one thing that I can think of is like Santa's belt. With Santa's belt, it's black, it's red, and it has like gold, I think. So we're going to use a little bit of yellow as well, but we're going to go ahead and we're going to finish the bottom lash line. And let me get a bottom lash line brush. Okay, so I'm going to take the Luxie 141 mini round brush, and I'm going to dip into that shade Cherry Soda. And I'm going to blend from outer corner up here to inner corner and kind of just really smoke it out. If you're wondering what foundation I have on, it's a Beauty Bakery foundation, Beauty Bakery concealer. I'm kind of doing a first impression. Anastasia bronzer and contour, the Cookie from Benefit highlighter, the Milani blush, and I believe that is all. Also, these lashes, cannot wait to cut these things up and throw them in the trash where they belong. Alright, and then I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to take just a flat brush, a straight flat brush like this one, and oh snap, we don't have a black in here. Snap, crackle, and pop, because my back is hurting. Alright, I'm going to take Fresh Meat, and that's just going to, it's not a black, but we have black right on our eyeliner because that's like our belt, pretty much. Also, I'm going to fix my lashes and I'll be right back. It just will not stay on. My outer corner is fine, but my inner corners won't stay on. And I keep adding extra and extra and extra and extra. So with this, I'm going to focus this right on where my lower lashes are. And then smoke it out. Just so it's kind of like an ombre effect, a gradient effect, whatever you want to call it. I'm going to take this Morphe R41 brush and I'm going to take the shade Prick and blend this out. Smoke it out, whatever you want to call it. I'm going to take this NYX Vivid Brights eyeliner in the shade Vivid Halo. It's just yellow, so if you have a yellow eyeliner, you don't have to do this step. You can do black, you can just do red, you can do nothing. But I just want to take this extra step and add the yellow because I feel like that's like the gold piece in there. So I'm going to put this on my lash line. I'm going to take this Tarte Tarteist mascara and I'm going to put this on my lower lashes. And then the last step before we go ahead and finish this up, I'm going to take my Luxie 111 mini angled brush and I'm going to take the Benefit Cookie highlighter and I'm going to put this right under my brow bone. This is not for the faint of the heart, believe me. I'm all trying to look in this little mirror. I'm going to start here and then I'm going to blend underneath my entire brow bone. That is the end of this tutorial. It is a one palette tutorial. It's a glam. It is a glam Christmas look, and this is going to be one of the only Christmas videos that I filmed this year. I was going to do a traditional one, but I decided that I'm not going to do it just because I don't want to be like Christmas overload, and we all know what a traditional Christmas video looks like, Christmas makeup tutorial looks like, so just no eyeshadow, black wing liner, lashes, red lipstick, we all know the deal. I hope that you guys did enjoy this look. Please let me know what you think down below. Do you think it's a little too much? Would you actually wear this to a party? Would you wear it to dinner? Are you going to wear it on Christmas Day? Are you one of those people? Or are you like me and you stay in your pajamas and you look like you just rolled out of bed all day? Because that's me. Comfort is me. My middle name is Comfort. I hope that you guys definitely enjoyed. Let me know your thoughts down below. Enjoy, please subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll see you in my next video.
down if I put the work in. Laws and all, I love them all, to me you're perfect. Baby girl, you got it, girl, you got it, girl. You got it, girl, you got it, girl. I don't wanna play no games, play no games. Fuck around, get my last name. No, you